Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Adin Siddiqui Afsin. I am your biology ma'am. So our today's topic is unit 7.3, that is eyes. So we all know that human beings have different sense organs. So among them, eye is one of that sense organs. Okay. So the first paragraph is all about the human eye. An eye is like a camera. Both have lenses which focus on upside down picture of a surface which is sensitive to light. In cameras, the light sensitive layer is the film and the eyes is a layer of nerve endings called the retina. Eyes and some cameras have an iris diaphragm. This is a device which controls the movement of light which falls on the film or retina. Unlike a camera, an eye does not form a permanent picture. The retina changes light into nerve impulses which pass down the optic nerve to the brain. The brain changes these impulses into a three-dimensional impression of the outside world. So here they tell about that eyes have different parts, right? So the light sensitive part is known as retina, like which sends the light, the outside light, for which we can see the things. And then we have a colored part of the eye, that is our iris. Different people have different color of iris. Some has brown, some has black, and some even have blue iris. Okay, so that is a small camera of our eye, but our eye cannot capture a permanent picture, but it can show you everything. Cornea. This is a transparent window at the front of the eyeball. Cornea is the transparent window that is present at the front of the eyeball. Iris. This is the colored part of the eye. It has a hole at its center called the pupil. So this part is the iris, and the middle one is the pupil. Okay, pupil is the hole. In dim light, muscles in the iris make the pupil larger, which lets more light into the eye. Other iris muscles make the pupil smaller in bright light. So whenever we are in a dim light, our iris makes this pupil bigger so that large amount of light can enter in our eye and we can see the image clearly. And same the vice versa for the bright light. So when there is a bright light, our iris make the pupil got smaller so that less amount of light can enter our eyes. Then we have lens. Lens of an eye is not hard like the glass lens of a camera. Muscles stretch it during focusing. The lens is held in place by suspensory ligament. So lens, like our eyes lens, is not as tough or hard as the camera lens. This lens is controlled by the suspensory ligaments. Insect eyes. Insect and many other arthropods have both simple eyes and compound eyes. Compound eyes are made up of many separate visual units. Dragonflies have 28,000 of this unit in each compound eye. Each unit consists of a lens and light-sensitive cell. These cells send impulse to the insect brain, where they are put together to make a visual impression, which must be something like a picture made up of mosaic tiles. Simple eyes are made up of one visual unit. So some insects have simple eyes and some insects have compound eyes. Compound eyes are made up of so many lenses. Okay, so basically they can focus more perfectly than a human being, and they can create a clear image of any substance. Okay, so yes, that's all about the chapter, and the diagram is very, very important, so please go through the diagram. So that's all about the chapter today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.